everyone, welcome to another GCSE biology video by SMARTPATHTUTORIng. This is about monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are identical antibodies. Antibodies are produced by B lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. Monoclonal antibodies are produced from lots of clones of a single white blood cell. This means all the antibodies are identical and will only target one specific protein antigen. However, you can't just grab the lymphocyte that made the antibody and grow more. Lymphocytes don't divide very easily. Tumor cells, on the other hand, don't produce antibodies but divide lots, so they can be grown really easily. It's possible to fuse a mouse B lymphocyte with the tumor cell to create a cell called a hybridoma. Hybridoma cells can be cloned to get lots of identical cells. These cells all produce the same antibodies, monoclonal antibodies. The antibodies can be collected and purified. You can make monoclonal antibodies that bind to anything you want. For example, an antigen that's only found on the surface of one type of cell. Monoclonal antibodies are really useful because they will only bind to target this molecule. This means you can use them to target a specific cell or chemical in the body. Monoclonal antibodies are used in pregnancy tests. A hormone called HCG is found in the urine of women only when they are pregnant. Pregnancy test sticks detect this hormone. Here is how they work. The bit of the stick you wee on has some antibodies to the hormone, with blue beads attached. The test strip, the bit of the stick that turns blue if you are pregnant, has some more antibodies to the hormone stuck onto it, so that they can't move. If you are pregnant and you wee on the stick, the hormones bind to the antibodies on the blue beads. The urine moves up the stick, carrying the hormone and the beads. The beads and hormones bind to the antibodies on the strip, so the blue beads get stuck on the strip, turning it blue. If you are not pregnant and you wee on the stick, your urine still moves up the stick, carrying the blue beads, but there is nothing to stick the blue beads onto this test strip, so it doesn't go blue. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.